learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们这个月就是教在哪里，对不对？
对啊，
就找东西在哪里。
D9V，
Where is it or where is someone？ 其实我刚刚一直在找 Leo， 因为
找 Leo 干嘛？
不，他说他今天晚上要请我吃饭。
真的？那我也要一起去。
我怕他随便讲，然后就逃掉了，你知道吗？
Okay.
然后因为我们现在在主持这个单元，所以不能让他跑掉。你有看到他在？
我会帮你注意，我一定会帮你注意。
D9V 啊 ，Leo，don't go.
Okay.
All right, in a scenario where we're going to find someone, such as this instance, I'm looking for Leo because he promised me he's going to treat me to dinner later. Let's put you in this scenario, okay? 你有看到 Leo 吗？
你有看到 Leo 吗？
哎呦，你好生气哦！
因为 Leo 都没有请我吃饭。
Alice is a little angry, but that means, have you seen Leo? 你有看到 Leo 吗？ Okay, that means, have you seen Leo anywhere? Okay, 不要生气哈。
我现在回答你，我根本不知道他在哪里。
你真的不知道，对不对？Okay, she doesn't know where he's at, so that's how you say it. 怎么说？
我唔知。
我唔知。
佢 D9V 呢？
佢 D9V 呢 ？OK， 佢 D9V 呢，就是他在哪里不知道，对不对？我唔知，就不知道了。
我唔知哦。
哦，如果敌的话，你就要跟我讲了。
我敌，然后我就帮你抓着他。
唔敌的 ，I don't know where he's at right now. All right， 那哎呀，我都找不到他，怎么办呢？对不对？这样子就没有晚餐了，真是的，好讨厌。好，我都找不到他，怎么办 ？I can't find him. What should we do？
我都尋唔到佢，
我都尋唔到佢。
娘家殺，
娘家殺就是怎麼辦？哎呦，點解咧？怎麼辦呢？娘家殺 means what should we do？
我都尋唔到佢，
我都尋唔到佢就是我找不到他了哈。
我都找不到他。
I can't find him or her. And what should we do? So, in this scenario, we're again looking for someone, not something, but you can actually still use D9V. Let's review some of these phrases that are important. For instance, 找不到，
尋唔到，
尋唔到 that means can't find something, someone, 不管是人或事或物，找不到都可以用这个尋唔到。然後呢，怎麼辦 ？What should we do?
娘家殺，
娘家殺 Okay, that means what should we do? 怎麼辦呢？And it's all about asking where is it or where is someone 在哪里 D9V. So again, that means where is someone, where is something. And in this case, again, we're looking for Leo because he needs to treat us to dinner. Otherwise, 我跟你讲 Alice 便要請客了，如果找不到 Leo 咯，所以我们一定要出去找 Leo 一下了啦。
快點咯，
一定要找到他。
對
Alright, that does today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太講？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.